Most free AI video generators aren't worth your time. After testing dozens of them, I found 3 worth using. One is completely free with no daily limits. One makes consistent characters easy. And one produces the best-looking AI videos I could generate for free. I'll also show you the workflow that got the best results. Let's start with the first one. The first tool is Meta's Vibes. Not because it makes the absolute best-looking videos, but because, at the time of recording, it's completely free. I never had to worry about credits. Here's a video I generated with it. There's one catch. Every download has a meta watermark, but later I'll show you how to download it without a watermark. Here's the workflow that consistently produced the best results. The default approach is to generate a video directly from text, but creating an image first and then animating it produces much more consistent results. Open Vibes and click Get Started. Under Advanced Settings, set the resolution to 720p. It gives you a good balance between quality and generation speed. Next, switch from video to image. Enter your prompt and generate an image. Vibes will generate 4 different variations. Pick the one you like best. Now, it's time to animate it. You'll see a few different animation options: sync to voice, sync to music, and auto-animate. These are all great if you want a quick result. But for the best quality and control, go with manual animate. Describe exactly how you want the scene to move, instead of relying on the default animation. Even small changes to your animation prompt can noticeably improve the final result. If you want a longer clip, you don't have to start over. Just click Auto Extend, and Vibes will continue the scene from the last frame automatically. Before we download the final video, there's one more thing worth knowing. So far, we've been creating vertical videos, but generating landscape videos is just as easy. Switch to video, then click Start Frame and upload any 16:9 image. Enter your prompt and animate it. And here's the result. This time, Vibes generates the entire video in a native 16:9 landscape format, but there is a meta watermark in the video. Fortunately, there's a simple workaround. Here's how it works. Just right-click the video and choose Copy Video Address. Open that link in a new browser tab, and you'll see the exact same video without the watermark. From there, you can download it directly. That's it. Overall, Vibes is one of the strongest free AI video generators available right now. But after using it for longer projects, one limitation became obvious. Keeping the same character consistent from one scene to the next can be difficult. If you're creating stories instead of standalone clips, that quickly becomes frustrating. That's exactly where the next tool stands out. Character consistency is one of Google Flow's biggest strengths. Instead of recreating your character over and over, you build it once and then reuse it throughout your entire project. That's where the difference becomes obvious. If you're creating stories, this saves a huge amount of time. Here's how it works. Start a new project. Click the settings icon and choose Nano Banana 2 Lite as the image model. Set the number of images to generate along with the aspect ratio. Then hit Save. Enter your character prompts and generate a few different variations. Choose your favorite because this will become the character you'll use throughout the project. Now, whenever you create a new scene, simply click the 3 dots and choose Add to Prompt. This tells Flow to reuse the same character instead of creating a new one from scratch. Next, choose either OmniFlash or VO 3.1 as your video model. Set the aspect ratio and the number of generations, then click Save. Enter your scene prompt and hit Send. Within a few moments, your first scene is ready.
What a perfect morning for a hike.
You can repeat this process for every new scene in your project. Flow keeps the same appearance, style, and overall identity much more consistently than most free AI video generators. There's another really useful way to create consistent characters in Flow. Instead of generating them every time, you can create a dedicated character from the Characters panel. You can use one of these templates to create characters. You may also upload your favorite image or describe your character from scratch. Select the image model and generate it. Now your character is available across your entire project. Whenever you create a new scene, simply select the character instead of writing a long appearance prompt. This makes it even easier to keep your character consistent throughout your video. Next, let's make the character speak. Click Select a Voice and choose the voice you want your character to use. You can preview different voices.
Hi there. We're introducing a new feature where I can read
Until you find one that fits. Then click Add to Character. Now, whenever you use this character, the voice is already included. Simply click Add to Prompt and generate the video. The result isn't just a consistent-looking character, the voice stays consistent too.
Hi, I'm excited to show you how easy it is to create consistent AI videos with Google Flow. Once your character is set up, you can reuse it in any scene while keeping the same look and voice.
Repeat the same process for each scene, and within minutes, you'll have a fully voiced, consistent character throughout your video.
One character can appear in completely different scenes while keeping the same look and voice throughout the project.
Google Flow's only real downside is its limited free credits every day. So I'd use Vibes AI to experiment, then rebuild the best ideas in Flow for consistent characters. But if you're chasing the highest quality visuals, the final tool is what stands out. It's Cedence, and you can access it for free through Byte Plus. This entire clip was generated using Seedance inside Byte Plus. During testing, this consistently produced some of the best-looking free AI videos I could generate. The results look more polished than the other free options. Getting to it is a little confusing at first. Go to the Byte Plus website, scroll down a bit, and open Dreamina Cedence 2.0. Then click Start Now. Once it loads, click Go to Playground. Inside the playground, you'll find several AI video models. Cedence 2.0 is paid, but you can access Cedence 1.5 Pro completely free. You'll get free credits of 2 million tokens to start with, and they refresh regularly. That makes it easy to keep using Cedence without spending anything. Inside the text-to-video model, you can paste in a prompt. Then in the settings, you can choose the aspect ratio. Select the resolution, duration, and quantity before generating the videos. But just like Meta AI, I got much better results by creating an image first. Generate your scene using one of the free image models. Then upload it as the starting frame, and describe only the motion you want. That gives the model a much stronger foundation, and the results are noticeably more consistent. The free credits aren't unlimited, but they refresh regularly, making this one of the best free ways to access high-quality AI video generation. If I wanted one AI-generated shot to really impress someone, this is the tool I'd use. After testing all three, here's the workflow I'd use. Use Vibes AI to experiment. Google Flow for consistent characters and voices.
One character can appear in completely different scenes.
And Cedence for your best-looking shots. Now, if you want to see how I use free tools to create a complete AI animated film from start to finish, watch this video next.